one more time, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. You can like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not done till yet. In our previous classes, we have discussed about the two laws of chemical combination, right? In which we have discussed our first law, that is law of conservation of mass, which states that the masses of reactants is always equals to the total mass of the products. And why it is so? No problem. We will give the answer to this question as well in our upcoming topic. Now, the second law we have done, that is the law of constant proportion, and it is also known as law of definite proportion. The word constant or definite suggests that the ratio in which these elements combine together is always fixed. It means whenever a compound is formed, the composition of the compound is always fixed. It's definite, right? So basically, with these two laws, we have discussed how the combination or how you can say that the formation of compound takes place. Okay? In our previous classes, we have discussed number of things about the matter. In fact, we have discussed that matter is made up of very small particles. We have already done in our previous chapters that matter is made up of smallest particles, and these particles are named as atoms. That we have already done. And this theory is known as atomic theory of matter. Basically, under this theory, we discuss about the nature of matter in terms of atoms. This theory, or you can say that the atomic theory of matter, has been put forward by the scientist known as Dalton. Dalton was the scientist who has given his theory, which is known as atomic theory of matter, or it is also known as Dalton's theory, in 1808. He has given some important points which are also known as postulates. What it is known as, the important points of the theory are known as postulates. So today we will discuss different postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Right? Basically, through this theory, Dalton has explained the nature of matter in terms of atoms. How these atoms are combined together, how these atoms are existing in a matter. In fact, this theory, which is known as Dalton's atomic theory, has explained the two laws of chemical combination, that is law of conservation of mass and laws of constant proportion. Let's have a look on different postulates, means different important points of Dalton's atomic theory.
Dalton was the English chemist who has put forward different theories related to matter and atom. He has given different postulates about the theory, which is known as Dalton atomic theory. After performing so many experiments, he had concluded these postulates to explain about the nature of matter. According to this theory, all matter is made up of very tiny invisible particles known as an atom. This theory was given in 1808. In fact, we can say that Dalton's atomic theory was the first modern attempt to describe the behavior of matter, or you can say that explanation of properties of matter in terms of atoms. This theory was also used to explain different laws of chemical combination. This theory provides a simple explanation for the different laws of chemical combination. Now, let's understand different postulates of the theory, which is known as Dalton atomic theory. According to this theory, we have already discussed that all the atoms are made up of very small particles, which are known as atoms. In fact, these atoms are indivisible particles, and it cannot be seen under high power microscope as well. Atoms of same elements are always identical in their shape, size, having same mass, and in fact all the atoms of same elements are having same properties. These atoms cannot be divided further. That's why they are known as indivisible particles. And why it is so? Because these atoms cannot be created nor be destroyed. In fact, we can say that this postulate explains the very first law of chemical combination. As we have already discussed through this postulate that atoms cannot be divided, created or destroyed. It means its mass also cannot be created nor be destroyed. So the total mass of the reactants and products are conserved. Now come to the next postulate, which suggests that atoms of different elements only combine together in the fixed ratio by their mass to form any compound, and this ratio is always a whole number. It means the number cannot be in decimals or fractions. During any chemical reaction, these atoms rearrange themselves to form any compound. Let's understand these postulates through upcoming video. I hope you have well understood all the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. So go through the videos very carefully, and for any further query you may ask in online session. Thank you. Have a nice day.